Video, I'm going to explain what is meant by tensor workflow. It refers to the process of building and training and deploying the machine learning models using the TensorFlow framework. So I'm going to explain the overview of the workflow in just a small steps. The first comes the data collection and pre-processing. What we will do in this step, like we'll gather the data needed for our problem, like images, text, and numerical data. After gathering, we'll prepare the data, like we will apply cleansing, normalizing these things. Why we are doing to organize the data into the format that TensorFlow can work on it. Like what it will do, it will split into training, validation sets, test sets, training sets. Like that, it will split into different sets. And now we learn gathering, preparing, now data augmentation. Here we'll enhance the data set by applying some transformations like flipping or rotating to improve the model performance. This is optional. If it is required, then we have to go to this. Next, define to model. So here we will decide whether to use the pre-built model or create a custom one. After choosing, then we will build the model using TensorFlow APIs like tf.keras.sequential or functional API to define the layers and architecture of the neural network. This TensorFlow APIs we will see in the further videos. After then, third step, compile the model. Like here, we will check if there are any errors by using the mean, squared error, and cross entropy. These are the examples. And we adjust the weights to minimize the loss. After then, we'll track the performance during the training, like accuracy. Now, fourth step, train the model. Feed We have to feed the training data into that model, whatever we have collected before, and let it learn the patterns. Using model.feed function, we will train the model for a specified number of iterations. And the next fifth step, we need to evaluate the model, like the test. We need to test the mode with unseen data, whatever the test sets we have created before. With those test sets, we need to check the performance. And sixth steps, make the predictions. We have to use the training models to make the predictions on the new data as well, not only with the training data. If there is some new data we collected, with that we need to make the model to make the predictions. And the seventh step, we need to deploy the model. Like we have to save that model using TensorFlow saving capabilities, and then we need to deploy it. So then next step, monitor and update. Once the model is deployed, then we need to monitor the model's performance in the real world scenarios. That's it. This is the overview of Tensor workflow. Thank you.